Good morning. So, about a week ago, the wife asked me what I wanted to do on my birthday, and which is today, by the way, all 50 years of it. And anyway, not being one to stick to anything normal, I decided I wanted to do Pen y Fan, which is my favourite mountain. Unfortunately, we had a slight change of plan. We got to the car park at Storey Arms, and the mountain is in mist, it's raining, and it really wasn't going to be any fun at all, especially for photography. It would have been a complete waste of time, to be honest. So me and Elliot had a bit of a rethink, and we headed over to Unscripted, and we're doing the Four Falls Trail. We're heading out to the waterfalls with the hope that the rain we've had the last few days will make for some fuller waterfalls and some nice photos, some water photos, moving water photos. So it's still a bit drizzly. Since when do you see me wearing a raincoat? And but it's not too bad. It's sort of a misty rain at the moment, very copeable. So that's what we're doing. We're off to the waterfalls to shoot some waterfall type stuff. So let's get out there and find some compositions to do. Let's do this. Okay, so it looks like we made a good judgment call. There's plenty of water in these waterfalls, so this is the top fall behind me. We just need to get down to the bottom now and find a suitable composition and get set up. Let's get down there. Okay, so we found our first composition here. This is actually the second waterfall down in the series of 4. We looked at the top one, but we couldn't get down to it, so there's a potential composition from above it when we get back up there. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to bracket it, but I'm also going to focus stack across the waterfall to keep it all nice and sharp, because it runs a long way and I'm looking across the front of it. So my settings are between ISO 160, wide open on 10mm, f18 for nice depth of field, and I'm on about an eighth of a shutter speed, eighth of a second for shutter speed. And we'll probably focus stack, I think I'll probably focus stack 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, maybe 5 if I run past the edge of the waterfall as well. And then sort the rest out in Lightroom. Not using any filters. I've got a little bit of the sky up there which will be blown out. But I'm thinking I'm going to crop this to a 16:9, which should then drop the sky out of it anyway. So we'll take the shot and see how it goes. Okay, here we are, we're done. I've got to move now because we'd rather, I don't know if you can see, precariously perched here on the edge of a waterfall. Long drop down there, water there, and Elliot behind me, patiently waiting to do his shot. So I've got to get out the way for him to do his shot now. Have to walk far to find the second composition. This waterfall here behind me is just down. I don't know if you can see it through the trees. You can see the first waterfall we shot. So from now looking at this one here, I'm actually going for rather than a landscape, I'm going for portrait on the camera this time. I'm going to bracket the shot again. Let me turn around so I can look at the camera. We're going to bracket the shot again. I brought the shutter speed to 160th, because the water seems to be coming over this one it's more dense and appears to be faster flowing. I don't think it is. So to try and sort of give it a little bit of blur and the movement of the water, I brought the shutter speed up to 160th and we're at f10. Again, I'm shooting at about f24 this time. Again, I'm trying to keep the sky out of it so I don't have to worry about filters, because the sky is very bright. It's really blown out if you use it. And we've got some of the still water in the bottom as well. So yeah, we'll take this shot, we'll bracket this shot and take a single one as well. and see what it does. I might actually, watching the way the bubbles are sort of swirling in the bottom, I might do a long exposure in a minute as well, just to see if I can get any sort of, I don't know, fine art type shot. Not sure on that though. But anyway, here goes the shot. Found another really great composition. I'm right down on the river here, and then I've got a small waterfall behind me, slightly bigger, and then the last two I shot as well, all in frame. I think it'll be another sort of portrait mode. I think I'll use camera in portrait to do it. It's a really nice shot. Unfortunately, it's not unfortunately, just gotta wait for the, I don't know if you can see up on the waterfall behind me, while the kids doing orienteering type of stuff and jumping in the water. So we'll just wait for them to go past, and then I'm going to set my tripod up down here on this ledge. Nice low composition. I might even manage then to get this little bit of a waterfall in there. I'll probably bracket the shot and also focus stack. I'm going to focus stack on each waterfall, I think, just to make sure they stay nice and crisp. And more than likely it'll be about an F18, but I'm going to stick the vlogging camera up there now and all the bags, and just bring my tripod and camera down for this one. There we go then. That's that done. Four full trails. Got a mouthful that. Done and completed. It wasn't a very nice day at all. It's really horrible and hazy. In fact, I need to get under the tailgate a bit. We didn't get a pen van because the weather wasn't ideal and we weren't suitably dressed for it, to be honest, so I'm not a big believer in doing that. So all that remains now is to knock over a pot noodle or two and head back to Cwmbran before the birthday celebrations begin. And it's the stupid boy behind me. I'll stick the link down below to the Four Falls Trail, and I'll also stick the link in the description to my my route within the Ordnance Survey website. But there we go. We'll catch you again on the next one. See you soon.